this is Avocado with Bimba, and today we're here with another live stream. So today we're gonna start my new series featuring my brother, and he's going to be playing Disney Community 3.0. And this is the first episode, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you're new. And let's get right into it.
Okay, let's do this. We're going to a video, which I will mostly win sometimes. Just saying. Okay, now let's do this. This is a Star Wars one. And I chose it as the volcano. But it isn't a real volcano. If you fall, you'll die. But if you change it to a different one, if you fall, you'll still die. But you'll
Falcon has landed.
Falcon. Hopefully it will even win. But maybe with me it will. Right here somewhere. Aha! This construction vehicle. Very slow.
Francesca.
to go here and go down. Third place. So slow because I just go racing. No, no, no. Now, not so long. People are coming. Over and over. Can't see the volcano thing anymore. I'm gonna change it back to the volcano. This is so bright. Too bright. Next one. Very faster. Volcano. We shall do a race with the Mickey Mouse car. And I'll put 2 tracks. Maybe not. So play down. to do. Wait a minute. There's nothing there. There's supposed to be something next to it. I'm just gonna something else to practice with. Something real to practice. Aha. Whoa, this thing's way too big. Too big. Aha. There's this enemy door piece. It's right here. All you have to do is just push that button or shoot it. It's surprise you guys.
You want to say?
You're gonna train with something so real. I've been trained many times. One spin for one thing. Or now one. Now, for ice giant practicing. Basically, we'll be fighting ice giant. I'll use my super attack.
I'm ready.
Where are they going? I think they're just splitting up. They're all giant. They're all safe. All different types of enemies. In this game, they're not the same. Because they're all different. So there's attacking things. Not try to see.
Whoa, that was weird.
gonna build a sidekick. Now, we're gonna make one. Gonna pick this one. Now this guy. Oh. Different training. Aha. These. I am gonna do... Oh, my psychic was gonna do this. This seems so... Yep, I know how to do it. Easy peasy. Oh, they're all characters. Some characters that I have. I have Iron Man. And then I have this girl from Star Wars. I lost them. I quit binding them. 10 seconds.
Thought that would go better.
that. Think all the way to next we'll do some racing. After this race, I'm gonna put this or I shall say, so I'll go over the thing. But then if someone tries to do this, or if someone tries to drive like this and miss it, then go there, so hopefully go back. Now I'm gonna look for a pond. I know there is one. Yep, no pond. Wonder what I get. Don't think I got anything. I did get a bag. Oh, I see the bag. I think after this we'll I know what the problem is. I think it's because of that racetrack. It's lagging because there are two racetracks. Well, I really Oh, I think that's why it's speeding. Oh, street track is so quick. Now I'm on my final lap of it on the circuit. You can easily cheat in this racetrack. Oh, I think I changed it. Now, you change the way the racetrack is. I need this. Where will it go? Aha, I got an idea. But it's fun changing. I don't know. Yeah, it's not gonna work. We're gonna have to go backwards. First place. Yeah, I quit. This thing is too easy. Now I'm gonna do Colorado. Try to go up there. Oh, just go back up. Watch. Ah, there it is. What? What? How is it so good? Oh, it's because it's so bad. Oh, so it's in the shape of the road. Then I'll travel through a portal. I think I see it. Yeah. Now I can quit. First. Okay. I'm gonna travel through a portal if I want to. But first I'll fly around and show you it. I'll show you the place, the toy box hub.
Okay, may I would I don't mind. You can hear you talking.
Okay.
May I would because I don't mind.
It's so loud.
Okay. It is my turn. It's my turn. Stop, please!
Already spotted it. Let me turn in.
A surprise gift has appeared.
Oh, that is different. What could be? Also, I'm looking for hide and seek class, which I was playing hide and seek with it. It's very hard to find. I found them about like 5 or 7 times already. It goes so hard. I think I'll see lots of things very hard.
Find a point of interest. Follow the highlighted path.
Make it louder.
Wait 2 minutes. Gonna make it louder. Someone's watching.
It's me.
Oh, okay. Now. Should be louder. Okay. Now. Should be louder. Ooh, hey. It's a skateboard. Ooh, hey. Skateboard. Where's the red portal? So let's go through this red portal. No one can see me because I'm invisible. So let's go through this red portal. No one can see me because I'm invisible. So let's go through. I'm gonna do the paintball thing. This is gonna be fun. Especially when I got super moves. But I don't think I can use them because it's a turret thing. Let me start a challenge. Paintball. I'm not invisible, and I can't even use any tools. Gotta be ready for anyone, like those. Things are trying to get towards me. No one crosses the terrace. Challenge. Pirate. In a different color. Well, so many of them. Good thing I can fly. Ooh, I can even use my powers. Nice. This is gonna be so easy. I can see you. Gonna go right here. Whoa.
Are you watching Manuel's? No, it's Emmanuel's video. He's just playing now. No, he posted it. Yeah, 2 days ago. I inspired him, I think, and I also inspired. I taught him how to do my edits and stuff to make it more funny and stuff.
Okay. I can see everyone trying to sneak here. They're all trying to sneak. Is that what I think it is? Are those stairs? Oh, they're not. Okay. Just gonna defeat them all.
They can hear you when you do that. They can hear you when you do that.
Now, time to use my super move. In a minute. What's that green thing? Oh, why did I think of trying to use a sidekick? I can't. Okay. Guess I'll just have to play without the sidekick. Okay. Can't turn myself invisible. Because if I was invisible, this would be so easy. But I didn't even die. And it's fun. Now, I can locate bad guys. Oh, one just spawned. There he's hiding. Whoa, 3 of them? Oh, so this side is where they come from, and the other side is where I come from. Oh, okay. Now I know. And they all have paintball guns. Paintball gun fight. Yeah, I won. I need 2 points and in first place. Gonna go back to the toy box hub. Okay, let's wait for it to load. And I got a watch on my hand, a blue one, for my birthday.
Okay. But please don't finish my battery. It's on the charger.
Don't know, I just did that. Gonna remove the thing. No, then it should let me play. Yeah, let me play. Okay. Now, first we shall see.
The blue sparks you
Oh,
collect
this-
can be used to purchase toys from the toy store.
No, not doing any of those. So,
Find a point of interest.
all
Follow
right.
the highlighted path.
Now I'm going to go to the farm. Look at this one. No, it's not this one. Oh. It isn't.
Welcome to the toy box. Can you help my cowboy
Maybe I'll get a
compadre?
new sidekick.
Anyone you see with a beacon over their head needs to talk to you. If we want to help our friend, then we need the help of a
Oh,
sidekick.
I already have
A
that
sidekick
sidekick.
is a town's
And that
toy
one.
follows your character throughout the game.
And that
you can
one.
supply your sidekick with gear. Then your sidekick can use
have
various special
those
abilities,
three
fighting by your side during battles. This is the outfit. From here, you can bring your sidekicks into the world, change their gear, and give them special powers. Go ahead, give it a try. This is the sidekick menu. Here you can call your sidekicks into the toy box. This toy is now your sidekick. Remember, you can access the outfitter at any time from the pause menu. Head to the highlighted area. This is a TNT shack.
Nope,
If you
it's
throw
the
your
wrong way.
sidekick through that door, a barrel
It's
of
the wrong
dynamite
one.
will appear.
the
Look
wrong
for more
one.
toys with this type of door.
Going back. Going up. Waiting. Aha.
To find
Now.
a point of interest, follow the highlighted
I think I
path.
should go through the card portal. I've done it before. I did this. I think I did this. Nope, not doing any of these. Which one should I do? Purple, red, yellow, orange, or green, or blue. The orange one, I will not put on my list. Yeah, there. Nope, not going there. I already know what that is. Now, I'm going to make a new world.
The blue sparks you collect can be used to purchase toys from the toy store.
It's gonna make a new world. I have many characters. Really many. Gonna make new ones. City, map, treehouse, no. Empty toy box, no. Racetrack toy box, yes. I'm gonna make a new racetrack. Can't wait to see how it looks. I made about like 20 racetracks, but I deleted all of them. Well, not all. I think 17 of them. And left here. Oh, this looks new.
here to help.
Okay, let's fly around this racetrack. See how it looks. Oh, okay. I think I've seen one of my racetracks look like this. Oh yeah, I did see one of my racetracks like this. And now, we're going to fly a racetrack. Where is it? Where are the cars? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a white tiger. Weird. Oh, it's a character. Oh, I see. Huh. Gonna pick this car. It's called a buggy. It's like one of the best cars. Gonna drop it high from the sky so that I'll see it fly. Where is it? Ah! That surprised me. Gonna leave the racetrack alone. I can paint it, but I won't. Or will I? I guess I can paint it. This time, I'm gonna use a paintball gun. Oh, it really doesn't really work. Gonna look for something that actually does. I'm sure I have it somewhere. Or maybe I don't have it. No. No. This no. Oh, I forgot there's something at the bottom. I think maybe this. Aha, yeah. It is this. Gonna turn the racetrack. Wow. Looks really cool. Well, I think I just turned the racetrack pink. Oh yeah, I did. Just gonna do this while I'm walking. Oh, it'll be even fun if I fly. And fast. Didn't work as planned. How will it work? Oh.
It's 43, it's only next to 50.
Wow. This track is mostly red. I was hoping that would be red. But there isn't. But the pink sort of does look like red, only these parts, not this or something like that. Oh, I think it wasn't working sometimes because it was going underneath it. Try to shoot all the way there. Oopsie. This. Okay. Almost there. Just one more or two more. So places, and then we'll be done with the racetrack. And we are done. Pink, green, and some more green, then yellow, blue, yellow, pink, blue, then yellow, then green, then blue, then pink.
Some of my friends from Joy, they want to do little subscribers.
Please comment if you want me to show you some of my characters. Like how to change them. But after the show is outward. That hurt. I'm gonna try to do that tomato. Oh, no time. He's almost in the lead. Oh, I just boosted right in front of him. Oh no. Oh, good thing I blocked him from the boost, because otherwise he could win. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the character. So you can see this flying guy, the Falcon. Now next, we have Iron Fist.
Back in action so soon. I shall make the most of this opportunity.
And we have like dragon power. Let me try to get the power of things. Or I can just try to get it from a bad guy, which I will try doing right now. This will be enough. Oh, one more. Okay. This character can heal himself. So basically, he's invincible. He's invincible. Okay. Let's do my psychic calculator. Aw, didn't get anything. Let me try that again. This time with these giant things. Giant robots. Okay, let's try this again. Oh no. Don't work exactly as planned. At least I can throw these guys and carry them. I'm gonna throw them on each other. Oh, they just
So how you doing, David?
Their own friends. An accident. Yeah.
I see you don't follow the path of wisdom.
Oh no. Gonna heal myself. Oh, they're trying to laser me while hitting me. And one laser, tiny laser, or touch, I'll just die. I only have one heart. Oh no, I died.
I'm back and more powerful
At
than
least I
ever.
can revive. Ooh, now I got my secret power. Let's see what it is. Oh, yeah, it's a cool dragon. The dragon is really strong and cool. One last time, and we're all good to go. I'm gonna use my dragon. And that was the last event. He has to end it. Okay. Now, our next character is going to be you can do this. Ideas from cards. He can cards. Next is Green Goblin, then Groot, and then someone else, then someone else. 5.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this stream. Unfortunately, I'm going now. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you can see when I make my new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.